straight and with authority. They're the successors who made it through to by Yuniev, Reyes. Someone this type of territory.
Isang napakagandang balita na naman po mga idol para sa ating mga Pinoy boxing fans. Dahil ang pambato natin ng tubong Negros Occidental na si John Michael Zulueta ay naimbitahan po sa isang International Boxing Association nito lamang September 28 ng kasalukuyang taon kontra sa local fighter na nagngangalang Naijat Huseynov. Hindi po nakataya ang boxing record ng ating pambato mga idol sapagkat isa lamang po itong exhibition fight. At bago pa man ang laban na ito ay kagagaling lang po ng ating pambato sa isang napakagandang panalo kontra sa isang Thai boxer na si Toidgad Werachon via third round knockout. Kaya wala pa pong pahinga ang ating pambato, isang buwan pa lang po yung nakalipas mga idol. Kaya't panoorin natin mga idol ang laban ng Pinoy na si John Michael Zulueta sa isang mabigat na kalaban. May edad dito mga idol si John Zulueta na 29 na po. Samantalang yung kalaban niya si Huseynov ay 21 pa lang mga idol. So mas bata po yung kalaban niya mga idol. Mapapansin nyo mga idol na mas malaki at mas matangkad yung kalaban ni Zulueta mga idol, no? Talagang mahihirapan din ditong pasukin ng Pinoy yung kalaban mga idol. Naka-black short po yung ating pambato na si John Zulueta, samantalang yung kalaban niyang si Huseynov ay naka-white short mga idol. Round 1 pa lang to mga idol, magandang palitan na po yung ginagawa ng dalawang boksingero. Yan po yung gusto ng mga boxing fans. Round 2 na tayo mga idol, no? So parang hirap din yung ating kababayan ni si John Zulueta na pasukin yung kalaban dahil nga matangkad at mahaba po yung reach advantage nito. Mahaba yung galamay mga idol. Kailangan ng bilis din ng ating pambato dito ni John Zulueta.
Straight shots go, but hasn't quite managed to put John Michael Zulueta on the end of them. There he was a little closer. Zulueta steps in and has success with his own lead left hand. Shot combination, so the final jab gets through. There's a hard road. Moves diagonally at a 45-degree angle rather than following.
Ito talaga yung advantage ng matangkad mga idol at mahaba yung galamay mga idol, no? Nakakapag-adjust siya agad sa maliit na kalaban.
Round 3 na tayo mga idol at kung hanggang ngayon ay hindi ka pa rin nakakapag-like ay paki-like naman po sa ating munting channel. Pindutin mo na rin yung subscribe button para updated ka sa mundo ng boxing. That was off the mark from Zulueta, then to right. Zulueta just off the mark. Access to the body with his straight punches is Huseynov. Beautiful left hook upstairs with a lead shot. Teams in the black trunks struggle goal.
Round 4 na po tayo mga idol at wala pa pong bumabagsak sa kanilang dalawa mga idol.
Second half of the contest in the orthodox stance. And now the crowd dialing up the decibel level in a bid to encourage their man. And Huseynov looking altogether busier to begin this fourth round. John Michael Zulueta looking to drop down to the body. His target is yet here. John Michael Zulueta. Again,
body, balls the body once again, but it was inaccurate in both phases of it. Credit to John Michael Zulueta, he is trying to step it up. But good footwork being demonstrated. There's a nice right uppercut turned into the body by Huseynov, who's now up on his toes, moving effectively clockwise to his left, using all of the space of the ring. Fast-wording that exchange coming from John Michael Zulueta. Can he sustain the pressure? It can look very flashy and effective indeed. Oh, that's a nice right uppercut turned underneath by Huseynov in response to the head of the man from outside. Really dangerous shot to throw that right uppercut. Anthony Joshua, when he sought to become a three-time world champion, ringside at Wembley before 96,000 people to commentate the right glove. Zulueta, and now on a 10-second clapper. Rapid fire right hand being fired in by Huseynov. Jack Huseynov, terrifically organised. What I just reminding Huseynov that he remains a live competitor in this contest. Jab to the body followed by right hand over the top of Zulueta. That right hand was blocked. Then Huseynov successfully. But again, that was world program for Huseynov. Contest effectively in a bubble. No spectators in attendance. Beautiful right cross. He's transitioned effectively. Not quite to the full senior ranks, but again, those under 21 European successors who made it through by Huseynov. And again, an IBA level experience that will serve him well. Let's pose some questions here tonight. Having picked up his work rate in the fourth, it's just declined a little bit. Right cross from Huseynov. Pulls up the mark. Left, right, left hook attempted from Zulueta, but again, neither one, particularly when targeting the head. They have had success at...
At kung hanggang ngayon ay hindi ka pa rin nakakapag-like, ay paki-like naman dyan at pindutin mo na rin yung notification bell. Maraming salamat mga idol.
That previous microcosm. Nice right hand to the body from Huseynov. There he did land with a right jab. Right would be wise to make it a single and invariably that right cross accurate. Two men exchange jabs. Again, left right beautifully delivered from Huseynov. Right hand over the top. Huseynov getting over the front foot now, pinning Zulueta against the ropes. Zulueta bobbing the feet effectively to avoid the incoming fire. Now about 10-second into. Keeping left hook not too far away from Huseynov, left the mark. That left jab altogether closer. Right cross was solid shot as well.
Sa laban na nga nila mga idol ay natalo po ang ating kababayan via unanimous po. So isang exhibition fight po, hindi po ito makaka-apekto sa boxing record ng ating Pinoy. Maraming salamat mga idol. Maraming salamat mga idol dahil hanggang dulo ay nanonood pa rin po kayo. God bless you mga idol.